I'm gonna fucking explode if this video has another bad microphone. If it does, you know, because I'm not uploading it. I probably will. Anyway, this is Jeff the Killer versus I Like Trains, suggested by Jack Reed. The second suggestion. Ooh! Second comment suggestion, anyway. I still gotta delete the first one. Bye bye. There goes. Bye bye. I have, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screenshots of suggestions, meaning possibly more than 30 rap battles on here. Give me a fucking second, okay? Anyways, turns out there are actually two Jeff the Killer versus I Like Trains rap battles. One was by Box, and apparently another one by Hoodie Master. I don't know if I got the. Hold on, I actually got to double check because I saw a short video. Yeah, this is the one by Box. Box is the one they wanted. This is a by Box, the original video, as well as Box's channel will be linked down in the description below. Go support them in any way possible can. Like them and subscribe to them, all that good stuff. And again, I got to give credit to the artist because the fucking thumbnail looked awesome. Anyway, let's go. Thank you, Jack, for your suggestion. I don't know if I said that yet, but probably did. But anyway, let's go. Rap battles. Jeff the Killer versus I Like Trains. Okay. I also saw that the suggestion, the connection was bus stops versus train tracks. That's it. Okay. Just want to point out how Jeff the Killer is huge. Like he is stubby but fucking massive. You have 3 lines, then you're mute, kid. It's just the I Like Trains. 3 lines. Not really 3 lines, more than 3 words. Then you're mute because he doesn't speak like at all. He just says I like trains and he gets hit by a train. Haha, funny. I gotta check. Make sure the mic is good. Yeah, it's the one I'm using. Okay. You have 3 lines. I have a whole story. You get it. Turn your eyeless, Jack. Eyeless Jack. Only time you really get me a laugh. You're better than any ass-def movie I watched. Too bad that joke was wasted. On Suicide and only 2 clips. Yeah, because there's like only 2 I Like Train clips, if I remember. I don't remember. I smoked up Mary Jane the Killer. I see you, Box. I see you with your drug references. What's another blunt joke? Saying you're as blunt as a joke can get. Also, a blunt joke as in smoking a blunt joke. I do what offensive jokes really do to unfunny comedian. And cutthroats. Cutthroat is it's a term. Fuck, I still have Musical Pizzeria's YouTube channel list. Cutthroat meaning someone who is ruthless, murderous, or a dangerous person. Okay, so ruthless, basically. I drove homicide to Liu because Liu or whatever his fucking name is. It's his brother. He kills his brother, and homicide Liu, I believe, is when he gets revived or it's just an alternate universe where he never died. I don't know. It's confusing. Randy is one of the bullies, if I remember correctly, that Jeff kills. Beep beep. I'm a super sub. Beep beep. I'm a sub. It's way past your bedtime. I'll make you go to sleep.
I like trains. You're in pain. I like trains. Wait, what's your name? I might need to borrow that bleach, or that makes me sick. Jeez, a kid like me wouldn't like the basement you live in. Jeffrey Woods Epstein. I've also seen that look on a muffin's face. You're one and the same. I would rather go to Slender Man and find his pages. Heath Ledger looking ass. Why so serious, mate? Or are you supposed to be Leto's Joker with the weird jokes on your fucking origin page? On the track, I'm on a roll, you should stop. Whether it's Randy or shit, you've been bullied at the bus stop. PTSD, how my verse burns. I guarantee your nowadays fans over 21 jump straight to my name is Jim.
Oh, it's a one verse each. Okay.
I like trains. You're in pain. I like trains. Wait, what's your name? I might need to borrow that bleach or
Because bleach is how Jeff the Killer got his infamous look. It's because he got bleach and vodka thrown on him by the bullies while they were fighting and stabbing each other in the house. And and I quote, "A thing of bleach fell on him." I really like quoting that.
that makes me sick. Jeez, a kid like me wouldn't like the basement you live in.
Jeffrey Woods Epstein. I just want to note that Jeff is 14 years old. He is 14 in the story, I think. He is 14. I don't think he qualifies to be that.
Woods Epstein. I've also seen that look on a muffin's face.
I've also seen that look on a muffin's face, the muffin that wants to die, and you get it.
You're one and the same. I would rather go to Slender
I would rather go to Slender Man
and find his page.
and find his pages because it's more deadly, but at least I don't have to look at you, basically.
Heath Ledger looking ass.
Heath Ledger looking
So
ass.
serious, mate.
Why so serious? Joker moaning beatbox.
Or are you supposed to be Leto's
He's supposed to be Leto's Joker.
Joker with the weird jokes on your
With the weird jokes on your fucking origin page. If you know what Leto's controversies are, I'm sorry. If you don't know, don't even bother looking them up. The only thing I'm going to say is that he has a fucking cult. That's all I'm going to say. There is literally a Jared Leto cult. Like it's so weird.
fucking origin page. On the track, I'm on a roll. You should stop.
On the track, I'm on a roll because train track, the wheels roll.
Whether it's Randy or shit, you
They actually fit the descriptions that were in the fucking story. Because one's portly, the other one's skinny as fuck, the guy's in the middle. Get that?
shit, you've been bullied at the
You've been bullied at the bus stop.
PTSD, how my
PTSD, how my verse burns because again he was burned alive.
verse burns. I guarantee your nowadays fans over 21 jump straight to my name is
My name's Jeff. Shadow fight marker. Everon. Funny verse. Avery Lavender. You did great. And train art by Box. Scarlet Painter, Box, Captain Jorge, and Box. Or George. I still don't know. I'm sorry. Anyway. This is a fun little rap battle. One verse for each guy. Okay. I like Train's Kid 1. Yeah, I'm just saying. I hope I got every reference in there. I probably didn't, knowing me. But anyway. Thank you so much, Jackery, for the suggestion. The original video, as well as Box's channel, will be linked down in the description below. Go support them in any way possible can. Like, comment, subscribe to them, all that good stuff. With that being said, bye-bye.